Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Elon Musk's $13 billion Twitter buyout deemed worst deal for banks since the financial crisis. Biden approves nuclear weapons strategy targeting China. JD.com plummets amid Walmart's potential $3.7 billion stake sale. Enbridge CEO forecasts strong oil demand through 2050. Novo Nordisk's weight loss drug semaglutide linked to suicidal thoughts. Waymo hits 100,000 weekly robotaxi rides milestone. U.S. refiners see minimal margin gains from Trans Mountain expansion, according to Reuters. And Five9 slashes workforce by 7% to prioritize shareholder value. Stay tuned after the short ad break to learn more about these stories. Elon Musk's $44 billion acquisition of Twitter is the worst merger finance deal for banks since the 2008 financial crisis. 7 banks, including Bank of America and Morgan Stanley, lent $13 billion to Musk. The debt remains unsold due to Twitter's poor performance, causing significant losses for these banks.
President Biden approved a classified plan in March for the U.S. military to prepare for potential nuclear attacks from Russia, China, and North Korea, according to senior officials. The Pentagon estimates China's nuclear force will reach 1,000 by 2030 and 1,500 by 2035. North Korea has over 60 nuclear weapons.
JD.com shares fell 9% after hours as Walmart plans to sell 144.5 million shares at $24.85 to $25.85 each, potentially raising $3.74 billion, according to Bloomberg. Morgan Stanley is managing the sale of shares Walmart received in 2016 for selling Yehudian to JD.com. No SEC filing has been released yet.
Enbridge CEO Greg Ebel predicts oil demand will exceed 100 million barrels per day by 2050, possibly reaching over 110 million. This aligns with OPEC's forecast but contrasts with the International Energy Agency's prediction of a decline to 97 million barrels per day. Enbridge is expanding its pipeline and export terminal capacities to meet growing demand.
Individuals taking Novo Nordisk's GLP-1 medication semaglutide, marketed as Ozempic for diabetes and Wegovy for weight loss, report more suicidal thoughts compared to those on other drugs. Research from a World Health Organization database shows a 45% higher risk of suicidal thoughts with semaglutide than with liraglutide.
Alphabet's Waymo now exceeds 100,000 autonomous vehicle trips weekly, doubling since May. Chief Product Officer Saswat Panigrahi attributes this to deliberate scaling and cost optimization. The new 6th-generation hardware improves performance and safety while reducing costs. Competitors in the robotaxi race include Tesla, Amazon Zoox, and General Motors Cruise.
Canada's expanded Trans Mountain oil pipeline, operational since May, has had minimal impact on crude costs at U.S. West Coast refineries. Most of the oil has been exported to Asia. Refiners like Phillips 66 and Marathon Petroleum saw significant drops in Q2 refining margins compared to last year.
Five9, a cloud-based contact center software provider, will cut 7% of its global workforce to boost shareholder value. This reduction affects about 180 of its 2,600 employees and will cost $12 million to $15 million. The move follows disappointing second-quarter financial results and a subsequent 25% drop in share price.
Thanks for tuning into the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay informed, stay ahead. Catch you in the next episode with more insights and updates. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until tomorrow, stay safe and farewell for now.
This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.